All right, day 3 complete. I got maybe a third of the way through. You can see there's a definite gap in the heights now. So I kind of put these rocks here to make it seem as if there's nothing really here. So when my parents come, mostly my mom, because my dad doesn't come over this way, won't see anything. All right, well, I guess we'll see. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you doing it?
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Nikki V, and this is Sticky V. He's gonna be living with Ren and Phoebe for a while, I guess. Oh, and here's Sticky V's brother.
Nick.
Yes, exactly. We've been quite on an adventure to get this. Yeah. Hi. Whoa. Day 1, our first time taking Luna to the dog park. I think she's nervous. Are you nervous? Okay, first we gotta get this shirt off of you. Yeah. Hey. Nugget, calm down. This is gonna be hard because it's just me. And Nugget doesn't do well with other dogs. Luna, I think she's okay. But she can't go in the big park for the dog park. Or the big cage. She's gonna have to go in with the little dogs. And yet someone's gonna have to be with Nugget. So I'm really hoping, I'm banking on the fact that, or the assumption that no one's going to be, or there's going to be at least one cage open. You'll know what I mean once I get there. Wow, Luna, you've grown out of this. Oh, there we go. Is that tight? It's a little tight. Yeah. Nugget. Calm yourself. Luna has put on some weight and she's grown like more than half her size, original size. Ugh. Nugget, we're going, don't worry. Everything will be fine. We're okay, come here. Still pretty tight. Why is it not working? I'm doing it the wrong way. Noodle butt. Noodle. Noodle. There we go. Yeah, that's better. All right. Looks like we are all set. How do you like it? Luna, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Ow! Luna. All right, let's do this. Are you ready to go? Are you ready? Do you want to go? Do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? All right, let's do this. Feel like I'm babysitting. Got to find out which car I should take. I should find where the keys are first. Oh, snaps. Nugget, watch out. You know, we're probably just gonna take my car. Obviously. All right, got the keys. Got the dog. Need the other dog. Nugget, this might have to be a two-parter. Nugget, come on. Jeez. Calm down. All right, I think we're gonna have to put you in first, Nugget. Yes, calm down. Yes, yes, yes. Luna, I'll be right back. All right. Come on, Nugs. Welcome to the crib. Get in the car. Come on. No, get in. Come on. Nugget, get in. Go. Nugget, come on. Go. Up. Up. Come on. In. Ugh. Okay. Dope. Okay. You should be safe now, okay? Be right back. Did I get your tail? Alright. Now I need to get the other dog. Unplug this. Put this back here. Oh, sweet. Fantasy team. Alright. Other dog. Oh, look at, she chickened out. Luna. 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 Are you nervous? It's okay. It's okay. Come on. I know. Don't worry. I'll be right with you the whole time. Oh, yeah. Okay. Alrighty. Noodle. Noodle booty. Noodle booty. Alright, whole gang is almost, well, I mean, home gang. Well, dog-wise, whole gang is here. Luna, are you ready? Nugget, are you ready? All right, let's go. You know how many times I've said let's go? I'm gonna say it again because I have to close the garage because our garage door is broken. All right, guys, stay. Nugget, look at me. Nugget. Nugget, excuse me. All right, Luna, you're in charge. Wait here. I'm not feeling too confident about this. Nugget's freaking out. Luna's ready. But there's a lot of dogs, there's a lot of people. Yeah, I'm worried too, Luna. Hey, calm down. Hey, no. Calm down. It's okay, Luna. Nugget, how's it going? Nugget, come here. Come here. No, stay. How's it going? You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Whoa. Okay, you ready? We're gonna have like 5 more minutes, then we're out, okay? Okay? I think overall, it was pretty good turnout. Nugget, come here. Nugget, there's another dog right next to us. Nugget, I think you did very well. On a scale of 1 to 10, solid, yeah, maybe 6. Good job, you got a 6, you got a D. Only because you kept barking at dogs, but you didn't get in fights. That was a good thing. Luna, you did so perfect. You listened, you came when I asked you to. You made friends. I would say Luna, I would say 9 out of 10. There's definitely room for improvement all the time, so never a perfect 10 out of 10. But yeah, Nugget, did you have fun? All right, Luna, what about you? Do you have fun? Okay. Not very talkative right now, but that was Luna's first time to the dog park. Good job, Looney. Good job. And Nugget, we got some work to do. Peace.
Your team plays here. The sounds of the holiday season return to Sirius XM.
Someone's tired.
From classics.
Tired them out finally. Hooah! We got Evian and Fiji water today. Have we ever thought about the difference in taste? We're gonna find out right now. Tastes like water. That was Fiji. Here's Evian. They both taste like tap water. I spent $20 on those. Great. I'll tell you which one. They both tasted like water because they both are water. In fact, they were severely overhyped. My bad, overhyped. My opinion.